Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I go live, which is every Saturday, almost every Saturday at 5 p.m. And you'll know when I post up new videos like this one. So today I've got a special treat for everyone. As a lot of you know, if you're returning, which I know there's a lot of you who watch me all the time and you're returning, and I really appreciate that. I sew along with the Fort Worth Fabric Studio folks, and they're starting a new sew along really soon, June 6th as a matter of fact. They've got kits ready to go. I will link to their website down below if you're interested in doing their next sew along. It's going to be a real quick one, a smaller quilt this time, 38 by 38, and they're saying it's a table topper, so you could probably use it as a table topper, maybe a wall hanging, maybe a baby quilt. But I can't wait to get started. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. And today I want to give you a preview of the fabrics. So let's take a look at those. Jody, thank you so much for including me again and sending me a kit. And I wanted to show you what she included for the fabrics this time around. So again, the dates, it begins June 6th, and then it's June 13th and June 20th will be the finish. So real quick sew along, and this one's called Simply Spring. Now these fabrics are definitely floral and watercolor, but I don't think it's necessarily just spring. So even though it's almost not spring anymore, there was fabric delays. Happens. I think you could use this all the time. I don't think this is just spring. So let's show you. This is the background fabric. It's a little white, and these fabrics are from a Moda fabric line called Fresh as a Daisy. That one's really pretty. Here's another one. This one's kind of neat. It almost looks like paint splatters. I love this one because I love this purple. Very nice. These are beautiful fabrics. Now the kit comes with everything you need for the top, and I think the binding as well. The only thing you'll need is backing fabric. Backing is, you'll need 1 1/4 yard of backing fabric to finish this project. So not too bad. Probably can source it from your stash. And the same thing as usual. Oh, this purple's gorgeous. With Fort Worth Fabric Studio. The patterns will be free every Monday morning for you to download. So if you want to use your stash, you can. But Jody and the Fort Worth Fabric Studio crew has put this kit together. And personally, I like to support fabric shops like this that give you free patterns by buying the kit. If I can afford to. If you can't, that's okay too. But it just helps support their studio and thank them for giving us the free patterns. So if you can and you like this fabric, go ahead and grab one. Oh, I think this is probably my favorite piece. I love the green background. So that's the fabrics for this sew along. So this is all the fabrics you get. Lots of beautiful fabrics for the Simply Spring quilt. So another exciting thing, and I am thrilled and so touched and humbled that Jody keeps doing this because she definitely doesn't need to, and it's so generous of her, is that she gave me a second kit to give away to you guys, to one of you guys. So if you are interested in sewing this along with me, I will have videos up beginning June 6th every Monday thereafter, and you can sew this along with me with the kit. So if you are interested in getting this, please leave a comment down below and I will pick a winner. So Jody sent some extra fun little goodies. You get a free additional pattern. There's a bunch of little wonder clips in here, and there's a pin book, or a needle book. So that's lots of fun. So if you'd like to win this kit, mention down below that you'd like to win it, and I'll put your name in a drawing. I'm going to do a really quick giveaway for this. It's only going to be about 24 hours. Today is Friday, so I'm going to pull the name Saturday after my Saturdays with Steph and put up a quick video because I want to give you guys time to see if you won, and then if you didn't win, to run over and grab a kit before they sell out. So just a quick 24 hours, so make sure if you want this to put your name down below, and I'll pull a name tomorrow night. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to sew along with you. Take care and have a great day. Bye!